White pants? On her period? How bold!
Merry Christmas!
Hello, good morning. It's just me icing my face, but I had an idea, and this is what I sent to Iris. Should we do a podcast where you, a hip young person, tell me, an old person that grew up in religion and doesn't know anything about pop culture's things, and be like, so here's what happened. You explain the story, and then I react, and then you react, and that's the show. And it's like, we could call it like telling my grandma, or like something about you telling your grandma a story. Just saying, let me know if you'd like to see that. Breakfast, we've got some avocado toast with turmeric and some asparagus, a little bit of fruit, and some eggs. I made Ira a salad for lunch, which the other half of this asparagus is going to go on once it's cool, so I'm going to leave that actually right there. And for dinner, which I've also already prepped, we're going to do this couscous mix, which only takes 5 minutes to make, so I've left Ira in charge of that. And these vegetables, which are roasting. Ooh, hello! Or, more appropriately, goodbye. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast and watch The White Lotus because I didn't see it last night. And look at that fog go.
You're gonna die. I'm gonna have to drag you out of here.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What song was that? We will never know. Hello. She's showered. She's clean. It is 11:12 right now. I am not entirely sure of what's going to happen today, but I do know that I'm going to eat pizza at some point, so honestly sounds like it's set up to be the best day of my life, you know, just, oh, the pizza that we're getting is my favorite pizza in Portland, and it's because it's Detroit style pizza. Oh my god, bangs, get out of my eyes, I was talking about pizza. Yeah, if, apparently, like, I don't know, I feel like it's more just like Michigan style pizza, like if you're from Michigan, and you grew up there, when you were a kid, the move was to get square pizza. I'm going into a pizza launch right now. Okay, here's the thing on go. When you get the square, you don't have a ton of crust. I personally do not care for crust. I want sauce, I want cheese, I want toppings and crust. I want the whole thing. So when you get a square one, it's all covered and it's beautiful. None of this waste of my time with just dry bread. What? No. I will accept stuffed crust, but I do require dipping sauce as well. But stuffed crust is the exception. So, Detroit style pizza it's just like, it's not like Chicago deep dish where it's like mostly sauce and cheese. It's just like a thicker, better dough, but then you also have stuff piled all over it, and it's the best. It's superior. I will die on this hill anytime. This is very important to me. Hello. That's on the agenda today. I'm not quite sure what time I'm gonna be eating because my dumb little friend won't respond to me. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out with my friend Andres. He's like very shy. Also, I don't want him knowing that I do this. I'm like, stay over there. I don't let anybody know that I don't tell anybody that I do this. I don't know. I feel away. I'm like someone who can be completely and entirely open with strangers on the internet. Like, I don't care. Once I know you, I'm like, stay over there. I don't need you knowing about this part of my life. I always laugh because he is someone who's quieter, and I just have like so many. I am the overly aggressive, outgoing friend that just like adopts all the quiet people, is what I've been told. I'm not putting those words in my own mouth necessarily, but that's what I've heard. But I do know it's factual. But like, I'm just saying, bruh, quiet people often have more funny things to say, okay? Or more interesting things or whatever. So was our friendship formed on me just talking at him until he finally kind of started responding to me? Yes, but I knew he was funny underneath it all. And he's a big nerd, so we just do nerd things. Anyways, yeah. I'm excited to be here and alive today. I need to get ready. Oh, did he finally text me? Wow, speak of the devil. Anyways, hi, welcome to Vlogmas. Hello, hello, hello. White pants on her period? How bold! Damn, dude. Did I expect to look this hot tonight? No, but I guess this is what we're looking like. Ta-da! Wow, her hair is so clean. It looks like a real head of hair. Oh my god. I'm trying to figure out if I want to leave my bangs forward or do I want to kind of push them to the side. It's just they're like getting to the point where they're just like a little too long to be forward. Like I like them straight across, but I constantly am like trimming them because my hair has been growing like a weed, which is cool and I appreciate it. It's kind of like when I stopped dyeing it, it started growing. I'm trying to figure out if I should like hairspray my ends. I'm just gonna use, this is like the Orbe texturizing hairspray. All I did was, sorry, I keep talking and then I immediately go to spray my hair. Okay, I think that'll be fine. I just took a flat iron and just kind of inverted the ends. My hair is already so straight that I'm like, I don't need to straighten the whole thing. Which I'm very excited about. My birthday present from Ira. Look at her. She is beautiful. I've never opened it before. Are you supposed to? I think you're supposed to.
Yeah.
Why are you acting funny?
Yeah, I feel like I need to get back now.
Work stuff?
I was just about to find out who dies in the White Lotus. Of course, this little man is here. I am still doing my nails. Boop, 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 boop. But in 18 seconds, they'll be done, and I'll just clean them up later. I don't know. We'll see where the world takes us. So, you and me are both in this Vlogmas. Let's go!
Here. So, cheers me. Shut up!
Yes, sorry, this vlog's gonna be a little short, I would assume, but hopefully you enjoy it all the same. In true healthy fashion, we had no alcohol. We went to this place, got wellness shots and some vegetables. We all felt like enough alcohol had been had over the weekend. You know, we're all lightweights around here. So anyways, yeah, did that. Watched the Goofy movie, did get my pizza. It did slap. I meant to record it, but I didn't. So I guess we'll just have to get it again. Oh no. But yeah, that was pretty much everything. Played some more board games and called it a crazy Monday night. So now I'm home. I'm going to go to bed. Maybe you should do the same, or maybe you should have a great rest of your day. Maybe both. I don't know. Live your life, dude. You do a face mask. That seems like a nice... Did we do that one recently? I don't know. I feel like something like that kind of happened. But I'm standing by it. Go do a face mask. Also, go do that one thing that's been on your to-do list that will take absolutely under 30 seconds to do, but you just keep putting it off because it ultimately kind of doesn't really matter. And have a nice day. Bye.